I'm Ibtisam, and I'd like to share my experience with the Marriage Fit's Couple Therapy Mastery Program. My journey with couple therapy truly began with the Marriage Fit. I had always been interested in working with couples, but before enrolling in the program, I struggled to find courses that felt both comprehensive and realistic. Most programs either offered very limited learning or directly promised job roles that I couldn't access due to my lack of prior experience. When I came across the Marriage Fit's Couple Therapy Mastery Program, the course structure, duration, and detailed modules immediately stood out to me. Initially, I wasn't entirely sure what to expect, but the program turned out to be far more enriching than I had imagined. The chapter-based modules were extensive, well-structured, and thoughtfully designed. What I particularly appreciated was the flexibility in learning formats. The content was available in both audio and visual formats, making it convenient to engage with the material according to individual learning styles and schedules. One of the highlights of the course was the live discussion sessions, conducted by experienced mentors. These sessions provided invaluable insights into real-life clinical experiences, practical challenges, and therapeutic nuances that go far beyond textbook learning. The peer discussions were equally meaningful, as they created a supportive learning environment where we could openly discuss cases, challenge each other, engage in role plays, and learn collaboratively from one another. What truly sets the Marriage Fit apart, and what I valued the most, was the offline training component, which involved real-life clients. This hands-on experience is something that I found no other course or organization willing to offer. Working directly with clients helped me build strong foundational skills, develop clinical confidence, and gain a deeper understanding of couple dynamics in real therapeutic settings. The constant mentoring and supervision provided throughout this process played a crucial role in my growth and learning, ensuring that I felt supported at every way. Overall, my experience with the Marriage Fit has been extremely fulfilling and transformative. The program not only strengthened my theoretical understanding of couple therapy, but also equipped me with the practical skills, confidence, and clarity in my professional journey. I'm truly grateful for the learning, guidance, and support I received, and I would highly recommend this program to anyone genuinely interested in building a strong foundation in couple therapy.